Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore 10 inspiring decorating ideas to transform your kitchen into a charming shabby chic heaven. This style combines vintage elegance with a cozy lived-in feel, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let's dive in. Choose a soft color palette. Start by selecting a soft color palette. Shades of white, pastel pinks, blues, and greens work beautifully in a shabby chic. Consider painting your walls or cabinets in these gentle hues to set the tone. Incorporate vintage furniture look for vintage or antique furniture pieces. A distressed wooden table or matching chairs can add character and charm. Thrift stores and flea markets are great places to find unique items that tell a story. Add floral patterns. Incorporate floral patterns through textiles and decor. Consider using floral curtains, tablecloths, or cushions. These elements can bring a touch of nature indoors and enhance the shabby chic aesthetic. Display open shelving. Open shelving is a hallmark of shabby chic design. Use reclaimed wood shelves to display your favorite dishes, glassware, and decorative items. This not only adds visual interest, but also makes your kitchen feel more inviting. Use vintage accessories. Accessorize with vintage finds such as old jars, teapots, and picture frames. These items can serve as functional decor, adding both charm and practicality to your kitchen space. Incorporate soft texture layers. Soft textures throughout the kitchen. Use linen or cotton for curtains and table linings. Consider adding a plush rug to create a cozy atmosphere underfoot. Create a gallery wall. Design a gallery wall featuring vintage art, family photos, or botanical prints. This personal touch can make your kitchen feel more like home and adds a unique focal point. Utilize natural elements. Incorporate natural elements such as wood, wicker, and stone. A wooden cotton board or a wicker basket can enhance the rustic charm of your kitchen while maintaining functionality. Add a touch of glamour. Balance the rustic elements with a touch of glamour. Consider adding a vintage chandelier or decorative mirrors to reflect a light. Reclaimed wood. Incorporate reclaimed wood elements. Use reclaimed wood for shelving, countertops, or even as a feature wall. This adds warmth and texture, reinforcing the shabby chic aesthetic. Add personal touches with family heirlooms or handmade items. Displaying cherished pieces not only adds character but also tells a story, making your kitchen feel uniquely yours. Side table. Finally, incorporate greenery into your kitchen decor. Use potted plants or fresh plants in vase. Thank you for watching.